The experience of amazement was twice mentioned in our gospel today. They were amazed how Jesus preached. And at the same time, they were amazed or astonished how he drove the demon out of the man. But the experience of amazement won't be possible if both eyes and heart will not be vigilant and awake. Mulat at gising. The admonition of St. Paul to the Thessalonians about the necessity of being alert and sober guided them to prepare unto what God can do for them, particularly when He comes. But the call to be alert and sober will not only happen as we prepare or as we head near the coming of God, of Christ. But to be sober and alert is to see and witness as well what God can do for us. Mulat at gising para masaksihan ano ang magagawa muna ng Diyos para sa atin. But to be alert and sober to what God can do for us will bear fruit when we are alert and sober unto what we can also do for others. Mulat at gising kung ano ang magagawa ng Diyos sa atin. Mulat at gising din kung ano ang magagawa para sa iba. By being alert and sober, we let God do something for us, and in return, we let ourselves do something for others. And let this be the reason why people be amazed and be astonished to what God is doing and to what we are doing. Masaya at mangha ang lahat dahil mula sa ating pagiging mulat at sa ating pagiging gising, nakikita natin kung ano ang ginagawa o gagawin ng Diyos sa atin at ano ang magagawa natin para sa iba. Today, my dear brothers and sisters, we celebrate one very famous modern saint, Saint Teresa of Calcutta. She lived her life with all her heart and all of her person, her being alert and sober over the realities of people around her, particularly issues about hunger, the homeless people, loneliness, despair, sadness, and many more. She was just aware of these things. But she was alert as well to what God can do. Her sisters were telling that before the day's schedule of doing charity, Sister Teresa would enjoy an hour or more in front of the Blessed Sacrament, pray their liturgy of the hours, and spend at least that moment to celebrate the Eucharist, acknowledging what God can do first. But more importantly, she was aware of what she can do to these brothers and sisters around her. Her congregation, the Missionaries of Charity, is just one beautiful example. Alert of what is happening around. That is why one is awake unto what God can do and what they can do in return for others. My dear brothers and sisters, let us not only waste our time by being alert and sober for nothing. Gising at mulat nga. wala namang ginagawa. Hindi naman kinikilala ano ang gagawin ng Diyos sa atin. Be alert and sober of what is happening around. Be alert and sober to what God can do. Be alert and sober to what we can share and do for others. Because when we are aware and alert of what is around, what God can do for us, or does His part all the time, and when we also did or do our part, may there be rejoicing, may there be amazement from the hearts of people.